Hi, my name's Brian. I'm the owner of Quartz Carpet USA, and I'm here to talk to you about some of the frequently asked questions that we get on a regular basis. Where can quartz carpet be installed? Typically, quartz carpet can be installed over concrete, wood, existing tile. That's right, you don't have to remove or replace the existing tile that's in your home. If you have tile and you don't like it, you can go right on top of it. Did you know that quartz carpet can also be installed on your wall? That's right, quartz carpet can go vertical. We can put it on steps, the vertical part of steps, which is also called the rise. We can put it in walls. Drywall isn't a problem. We put quartz carpet, believe it or not, completely in showers, the bottom as well as the walls. It's absolutely a one-of-a-kind type of install. I hope you enjoy these videos. Stay tuned. Thank you for watching.